In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see completed tasks in Asana. If you've ever marked tasks complete and then wondered where they went, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to bring them back into view using Asana's built-in filters. We'll sign in, open the project you care about, use the search panel, and filter by status so only completed tasks appear. Start by opening the Asana login page in your web browser. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google to authenticate quickly. If you're prompted to choose an account, select the Google account you use for Asana. If you normally sign in another way, that's fine too. Just log in as you usually do so you land on your Asana home screen. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want to review completed work. You can select it from the sidebar or from your recent projects. Clicking the project opens its main view, which is where your tasks, sections, and filters live. Next, find the search option at the top of the screen. Click it to open the search tools. You'll see a simple search bar, and near it there's an icon with 3 horizontal lines, which opens the advanced search panel. Click that icon to reveal more filters. If your window is narrow, this icon may be tucked behind a menu. Just expand the panel so you can see the filtering options. In the advanced search panel, locate the status dropdown. This control lets you filter by task completion state. Click the dropdown to see the available statuses, then choose completed. This tells Asana to include only tasks that are finished. With completed selected, run the search. Click the search button to apply the filter and display your results. You should now see a list of completed tasks within the project you opened. The results will include task names and key details, making it easy to scan what's been done. If you don't see anything, double check that you're in the correct project and workspace and that the tasks you expect were actually marked complete. From here, you can scroll through the list to review recent wins, confirm that nothing was closed by mistake, and get a clearer picture of progress. If you need to refine what you're seeing later by assignee, dates, or other criteria, you can use additional fields in the same advanced search panel without changing the basic flow you just used. That's it. You've logged in, opened your project, used advanced search, set the status to completed, and run the search to reveal finished tasks in Asana.